In today's video, we're going to talk about how this device can save your business from IT downtime. But before we start, don't forget to like this video, and if you've got any comments, please use the comment box below. Now, this piece of kit might look like something from Star Wars, but it could save your business from IT downtime and losing lots of money. It's fair to say that internet connectivity these days is a little bit like oxygen. We all seem to need it all of the time. I know in my home, if we don't have Wi-Fi, it's a big issue. But of course, when it comes to our businesses, the stakes are much higher. Not having an internet connection for a prolonged period of time could be catastrophic. Most of our applications are now cloud-based, so if we don't have an internet connection, it will mean no email, no phone system, no access to our critical business applications. And as we all know, downtime in business means lost cash. So what is the answer? Well, the answer of course is to have more than one internet connection. If there's a problem with the main line, you can use the backup internet line until the main one is fixed. And this device here is a fantastic, cost-effective option for a backup internet line. You install your main internet connection through this device. Nothing really changes there. But here's the secret sauce. This device has built-in 4G. That's the same technology that your mobile phone uses to browse the internet. So if your main internet connection fails for whatever reason, this device will start using its 4G connection and your business can carry on working. Internet connectivity is a key area that you should be looking at to make sure that your business has a robust IT setup. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, why not subscribe to my channel? We publish every Tuesday and every Friday.